Hey guys, it's Chris here at Buck Mountain Adventures. Today we're going to go over my 2006 Toyota Sequoia. We're having some headlight issues. My dimmers does not work, but my bright lights do work. So the first thing I did is I checked the relay in here. The relay's good. So the next step was to swap out with some bulbs. So today we're going to show you how to swap out the bulbs. I'm going to show you two different ways. There's actually two different ways you can do it. It just so happens that the way the truck is, the way one headlight is, I'm able to show you how to take the whole assembly out and swap the bulb out there. But I do want to say, if you ever come across this issue, please check your relays first. That could be the 9 times out of 10, that's your problem. So I did check the relay. That's not my issue. So we're going to go and we're going to swap the lights out. I'm going to show you right now what the lights are going to do. My son Austin's helping me film this today, so Austin, if you would just back up so you can see the whole front of the truck. Okay, as you see right now, you got the bright light. These are bright lights, actually. These are my brights. Let me switch them to dim. And switching to dim, as you can see, the lights go off, and my fog lights come on. So it's like my dim fogs are switched somehow. Don't know how, but that's what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap the bulbs out, and I'm going to show you what's happened. Come with me here, tall. Today we're going to use silver ultra bright down road and white light 9003 for the Toyota Sequoia 2006. This is a low beam, high beam light. This is what they look like here. Make sure when you pull these out of the package, do not touch the bulb. Don't touch the bulb. So let's go over here and let's work on taking these out. And I'll show you the first way. Yeah, Austin, you want to come around on this side over here for me? You want to shine the camera, put the camera right down in this hole right here where you can see where my hand is. There's a plug right here, if you guys can see that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to wiggle that around up and down, side to side, and it'll just come right on out. All right, and then you got a dust boot on it. And so normally, yeah, there you go. You just pull that little lever right there and just pull it and it'll come right out. If not, you can take a screwdriver and just wiggle it out. All right, you're going to have to come over here, Austin, so you can see. There's a little lever in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just a little switch. I'm going to push down on it and pull it out like this. And then the light, the bulb will just come right on out just like that. Let me get the new bulb here. All right, we got the new bulb right here. We're just gonna slide it right in this hole. It's got these little lips on it right here. You wanna make sure you get those in the correct area, slots down there. You'll be able to see them. Just turn it till it gets in them slots. There it is. And then you just push that little lever back on it right there. And then we'll take this dust cover and we will put the dust cover back on, and then take the plug and plug it right back in. That's simple, folks, on that side there. Very easy, very, very fast. You don't even have to take the housing. Come on. You don't even have to take the housing off. This is the housing part. You don't even have to take it off on this side. Now this side over here, we've had a little accident with this one. As you can see, it's jerry-rigged in here. This clip's busted and stuff. I'm going to eventually replace this whole housing anyway. You just got a few bolts here that you can bolt it in, and it's no big deal. But right now I got it in and the straps. And so that makes it easy for us. That makes it easy for us to show y'all a different way. All right, so normally what you would do is taking this housing out, normally what you would do is you want to take this bolt out right here, and this bolt here, and this whole housing will slide right out. And then I'll just go from there. We'll show you. So because I got it jerry-rigged, we'll just take this screw out, set it right there. Take this screw out. We'll set it right there, and then we'll just take this on out. Just like this whole housing comes right on out. Uh-oh. That piece broke. Well, I'm gonna have to fix it somehow. We'll have to worry about that later. Alright, so, alright, Austin, come here, I'll get this. So here's the plug, the plug for it. So like I said, you just wiggle that around a little bit. Dust cover, you pull these tabs, and this cover comes right off. And then, like I said, you got this. Here's if you can see this a little bit better right here. You just push down right there, and that thing will slide right on up, just like that. And then we'll just take this whole bulb out. Let me go get another one. So we don't want to touch the, remember guys, don't touch the thing. So then we'll just slide this one right back in. And these little grooves right here. Guys, if you can see this or not, there's a groove there, and another third groove right there. That's where the grooves are at. Oh, I need to turn this bulb. There we go, for the plug. Easy access, easy way to plug it in. Just put that right there, put your dust cover back on. Plug it right back in. And there we go, and then you just set this back in, and then of course normally you would just bolt it back in. But today I'm gonna screw this one thing in right here. And then that'll hold it in until I can get me a new one ordered. I called the place that we get, I called the place that you would get these at, and they were out of stock, so I'm gonna have to order one. Normally I would leave a link down below where I get these lights at, but I'm gonna tell you, I got the lights at Advanced Auto. I will type the name of the light and stuff in down below for you guys. But the lights just come from Advanced Auto. Those particular lights were, I think, let's see, I got a military discount on them. It's $57, and then there's a rebate that you get with them at Advanced Auto. You just fill out the paperwork online. No big issue. All right, so we're gonna check the lights now. So that is my low beam light there. No, only these, the low beam's not, come on, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Well guys, it doesn't look like they're working. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Let's see here. Okay, so I think that's my high beams there. And then we got the low beams. So then we got the low beams there. Tell me if they switch, Austin. Did they get brighter? Yeah, all right, guys. Okay, so that worked. So it was the bulbs there. We just need to switch out the bulbs on this one here, and it seemed to work. Both the fog lights still work. Everything still works. So guys, hey, thanks for joining us here at Buckle Mountain Adventures. I will be uploading some other videos. I got a kayak over here. We got some work to do on it. Yes, it's been sitting out in the weather. Some of you kayak lovers, you're probably gonna leave me some really bad comments, but I have no shelter to put it under. But hey, it still floats and it still fishes good. So anyway, I got an F-150 1999 model. I'm gonna be doing some brakes on here in the next couple of days, so I'll be doing a video on that also. Thanks for joining us. Glad to have you. Please like and subscribe if it's something you're interested in or something that you like. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.